Good afternoon, family. What's up, and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely safe and fine. Uh, it's in the afternoon around probably 3:45, 4 o'clock. It's raining like crazy in Hyderabad. That's because of the cyclone which is currently happening in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So these parts of the states also are affected. That is Telangana. There's a lot of rain. It's going on raining like crazy. The weather is beautiful, and I'll just show you guys around. The weather is absolutely beautiful. You can look. It's just raining and raining. The prediction is it's gonna still rain for another 3 to 4 days. So I'm enjoying this rain, and I thought probably since I couldn't make a video as well for quite a bit, I will go ahead and go for a small drive as well, enjoying this weather. I will meet you guys in the car. Alright guys, so I'm in the car now. I just pulled out the car. You can see how it's raining. You can see the weather. My god, man, it's really bad. Oh my god. But it's so cozy, and you don't feel like working actually in this weather. That's the best part about this weather. Anyways, I thought I'll just go for a small drive and enjoy this weather. In the meanwhile, I thought I'll talk to you guys as well. So guys, I just wanted to tell you something. In the first place, I want to apologize that I understand that you guys keep waiting for my videos, and I'm not so very regular. I'll be very honest, guys, and I'm sure you will also agree with me. The thing is, from the time this work from home started, things are going on getting really difficult at work. These guys make you work double and triple the times that you have to work. So it's getting really very stressful. It's getting really busy, and I'm sure you guys also must be facing the same thing. So that's why I'm not getting so much of time to go ahead and make vlogs, a lot of vlogs basically. Also, one more thing is I'm not doing this on a professional basis. I'm not doing this for a career basis. I'm just doing it because it's my passion. I love vlogging, so that's why I'm doing it. Yes, we never know what the future holds, so fingers crossed for that. But as of now, I'm doing it as a passion basis, and I basically just want to share as much as knowledge as I can with you guys and everyone else, whoever's watching my videos. If I could be of some help to anyone, I would be really very happy about that. So that's the major motto of starting this vlogging channel. And yeah, so far the journey is going good. I will try my level best again to go ahead and upload as many videos that I can, take out more time, and give you guys more content as well. So I'm actually planning this trip with my family to this small village which is in Karnataka. It's called Kurugunta. I'm not sure if many people know it. It's near Malkhed, Sedam, that side. So I grew up over there. That's where my childhood was for quite a bit. And there was a CCI factory as well, Cement Corporation of India, the factory over there in Kurugunta. So I had my family members and all working over there. So I grew up there, but then it closed down and everyone moved out from that place to different parts. But there are still a few people left. It was a long time desire to go ahead and see how's things there, bring back those childhood memories, look at the school, the ground, the house that we stayed in. It's a very nostalgic feeling. So I was very eager to do that, and I discussed the same with my family. And mostly we are planning to leave this coming Friday to the place to see how life has become over there. We're really excited about it. I will show you guys as well that place, and I'm super excited about it. I hope the weather condition changes, and we are able to go ahead and make this trip on Friday. So if everything is goes according to plan, definitely there's a video coming out on Saturday or Sunday maximum. You guys would be able to see it. I'll try and show you as much as I can. I'm very excited about it, and I just can't tell you guys how excited I am. Yeah, so that was something that I wanted to tell you guys. Now there was another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys is about this DPF issues here. There are a lot of people who are still confused and complaining basically that the BS6 engines have this DPF issue, and I agree with them, strongly agree. Now what I'm thinking is, by God's grace, so far, touch wood, I haven't got that alert to go ahead and clean my DPF or anything of that sort. I was thinking to go ahead and do a stage 2 remap. So on a stage 2 remap, they would get the entire exhaust with the DPF out, and they would fit a downpipe. I think should be mostly a stainless steel downpipe full system exhaust. I would love to do that, but again I'm holding back is because I'm not really confident as of now to do it. Maybe I'll do it in the near months that is coming. I will keep you guys posted as well about it, because now the major reason why I'm thinking to do it so soon is because I would be tension free basically because of the DPF issue going away. I don't want that one day I'm on a highway and I get this alert and I keep driving at a particular speed just to clear it. It's more of a pain basically than anything else. So let's see, I'm working on that as well. Yeah, so, and also in the previous video of mine, I did mention that I would look for a center armrest, but then I did go ahead and look for it in RP Road. People staying in Hyderabad would know that it's called Rashtrapati Road. They did have armrests and all for 1,500 bucks, but I don't think it's worth it because the kind of quality and stuff wasn't too appealing to me. So I didn't want to suggest something to you guys which would probably fade out in a bit. So I'm still looking actually for something which is concrete and nice. Let's see, if I get that, I will share that as well with you guys. Neither did I put it in my car, because what I put is strongly that I would recommend you guys. I wouldn't just recommend something because I have to recommend or make content, so I would do that. No, I wouldn't do that. I'd give you guys a proper review about the armrest also that I would be installing, the good one, and you guys also can probably install the same. Okay guys, so I leave you to the POV, and I wouldn't be talking, so you guys enjoy this drive, and let's see from there how it goes. crazy rains in Bangalore, my god. Look at the water filled up, man. Shit. Bonus point when you have high ground clearance and this does not scare you. Freestyle rocks. Oh, nice. I hope I get an open stretch. I want to pull the car. It's been quite a bit that I did that. Maybe I can pull it now a little bit. Whoa, hell, man. Crazy. Wow, this is fun. I just want to be a little careful because we have bikers over here as well struggling, so I don't want to splash any kind of water or something on them. Just want to be a little careful, keeping in mind that they are just on 2 wheels, so I don't want to get them wet by splashing water on them. Oh my god, crazy stuff. I wish that water was not there. The car went left, right, center, everywhere with that. Nice, very nice. Hey, also one more thing, guys. I wanted to mention that recently on Facebook I joined some kind of Ford group, Ford freestyle group. Someone asked me to join it. I did join it. And a lot of 1,000+ Ford freestyle owners were quite active on that group. And it was quite surprising that so many of them were bitching about the freestyle. Not exactly the freestyle, but the company, rather, I should say, about Ford. And it was so sad to see that these guys are talking bad about the company. Such a good company, giving them such a nice machine. Yeah, I understand they're leaving the country and going, but come on, they're giving you your service. They are maintaining that promise. And all the Ford owners have got an official email as well from Ford, stating what is their plan of action once they leave the country. That is, they would be availability of spares and everything of that sort. So yeah, that's good, on the part of Ford. But I was quite disappointed to see those people actually making fun. Anyways, second thing was someone was asking about a remap. It's quite funny, and people were laughing out there. But then yes, I respect everyone's feelings. People were saying, why would someone spend 10 lakhs and do a remap and waste their money and so on and so forth. Why don't you guys just put a couple of more lakhs and get that power? See, it's not about putting that couple of more lakhs, guys. You know, for the people who don't really know you know what a remap is or what exactly it is, it does not cause harm to your engine. All right, it's a very simple procedure. There are a lot of horses which is already tied and kept from the company side due to taxes and a lot of reasons. As I said it in the past, they will not unleash the entire thing. They give it to you, you know, keeping in mind government norms, restrictions and multiple things. So this remap does not cause harm to your engine or any of its parts or anything, especially on a stage 1 plus where there is just a software update. You don't need anything of that sort. It's done way within its limits. So these people were not ready to believe that, and they were, you know, arguing about it and all of that. I didn't find the group, honestly guys, to be you know, worth it. So I just dropped off from that group, and I felt not everyone, but at least a few of them were a set of fools, man. I'm so sorry to say this. You need to talk when you have knowledge. You just can't talk because you know, you just need to say something. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. Now I've reached home. Wow, what a scene, man. Wow, there's so much of water filled up. So any case, I've reached home, and this was for the vlog, guys, for the day. Stay tuned, you know, because I'm planning, like I told you, to go to my you know, village where I was brought up. It's going to be a lot of memories, and I would love to share that with you guys, because you guys also are a part of you know, my YouTube family, my family rather, and I strongly believe in that. So I would request all of you guys to you know, as you always do, show your love in the form of you know, likes, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and I promise that I will try and put as much as content as I can. I don't want to just, you know, simply come and just for the sake of content just go upload some crap. I believe in quality over quantity. So even if I shoot a little less videos, but then if I can try and talk to you something informative or give you some nice POVs as well, I would love you know, doing that. Yes, there's a lot of modifications that I still want to do on my car, both software, hardware and external modifications as well. That is also coming up very soon. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. Don't forget again to subscribe. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.